Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create your first email in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Email Marketing in the left-hand menu, then click Create Newsletter. Choose the Drag and Drop Email Editor option. Now enter your email details. Select the sender name and sender email address you want to use. Add a subject line that will appear in your subscriber's inbox. Click Next to continue. You'll now see the email template gallery. Choose any template you like, or select a blank template if you want to start from scratch. Click Use Template. Inside the email editor, you can customize your email by clicking on any text block. Replace the sample text with your own message. You can also drag and drop elements like images, buttons, videos, and social media icons into your email. To add a call to action, drag a button block into your email and enter the link you want visitors to click. Once you're finished editing, click Next. You'll see a preview of your email. Review everything carefully and make any final changes if needed. When you're ready, click Send Now to send the email immediately. You can also choose Schedule and select a future date and time. That's it. You've successfully created your first email in GetResponse. If this video helped you, check out the channel for more quick SaaS tutorials and software guides.